Hello everyone, welcome back to Techavro. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to scale and change the frame size in Adobe Premiere Pro. At first, import your video onto your timeline. If your clip looks too big or too small in the frame, click and select the clip. Now go to Effect Control panel. Under the motion selection, you will find Scale option. Simply drag the scale slider left to make your video smaller or right to make it larger. Do this unit it fit the frame perfectly. Now if you want to change the frame size for your entire project, go to top menu and click Sequence. Click Sequence Setting. In the frame size section, you can set your desired resolution. For example, 1920 x 1080 for landscape, or 1080 into 1920 for vertical videos. After changes, click OK to save the changes. If your clip doesn't fit the new frame, right-click the clip in the timeline and choose Set to Frame Size or Scale to Frame Size. This will automatically adjust. And that's how you scale your clip and changes the frame size in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.